The third technique in the first chapter is affirmation and self-talk. This is very, very, very important. Affirmation and self-talk. I-replace mo yung mga negative self-talk. Replace mo yung nandyan sa utak mo naglalaro na, I will fail. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ako magaling. Hindi ako prepared. Hindi ako capable. Palitan mo yan. Palitan mo yan ng positive affirmations. Because if you are to ready your mindset in taking the examination, first and foremost, you must have to believe in yourself. First and foremost, naniniwala ka na talaga na kaya mo. Consciously, you are sabotaging yourself kung before taking the examination, those thoughts are playing on your mind. Nandyan pa yung mga sa isip mo na hindi ako prepared. Makakalimutan ko lahat yung mga na-review ko. Mag-fail na naman ako. No? Ito ang sinasabi nila na mental chatter that creates a loop of self-doubt. Pabalik-balik yan. And if you do not start early to stop this, pabalik-balik yan. Ito na ay magiging psychological stress response mo tuwing you take the examination. Bakit kasi importante ang affirmations? What is the science behind affirmation? Ang affirmation actually will work to program your subconscious mind. And you must have to practice it. Practice self-affirmation to reduce stress and boost your problem-solving abilities under pressure. Kasi pag ang nasa iyo ay negative thoughts lang, wala. Most probably, you will fail the examination. So, anong gagawin dito? First and foremost, you identify negative patterns. Ano ba yung palaging pumapasok sa isipan mo pag nagre-review ka? Hindi ako magaling. Alam ko na babagsak din naman ako. Pag babagsak ako, wala na yung karera ko. My career is over. Balik rin mo. I am going to fail. You affirm, sabihin mo, I am prepared and capable. Kaya ko to. No? I can't handle pressure. Balik rin mo. I remain calm and focused. Kalmado lang ako. Kayang-kaya ko to under pressure. Makalimutin ako. Balik rin mo. I remember what I studied clearly. Yan ang pangatlong technique. Self-affirmation. And it's very, very important. In preparing for the examination, you must have to fully prepare your mindset. I assure you, lahat ng mga na-review mo will go down the drain if you do not know how to prepare your mindset. First, reframe failure as a feedback. Balikan mo yung mga mistakes mo. Assess yourself kung bakit ka nag-fail. The other one, visualize success. See yourself there. Taking the examination with confidence. You are focused, laser focused, and ready. And the last one is affirmations and self-talk. I-affirm mo yung sarili mo, sabihin mo sa sarili mo na kaya ko ito. Kaya kong gawin ito. I am ready to take the examinations. So, those are the 3 techniques on how to prepare your mindset in facing the real enemy, anxiety and self-doubt.